Hey guys, welcome back to Engineering with Chai. Today we're working on practice problem number 1.8 and it's meant for CSWA prep. Let's dive right into it. So this looks like a relatively easy problem and we're gonna work on the front plane as usual. We're gonna make that HUD thingy first. Looks like a pretty simple thing to do so far. Let's just make a regular rectangle over here. And the midpoint of this, oops, if I zoom in, that's the midpoint, is coincided to the origin. There you go. And now let's make a line. Actually, we need the center line. We don't need the center line, but we still want to add it. Just if you already made a regular line like this, make it for construction, make it infinite, and coincide it to the origin. We got the center line. We just need a line like so, and a line like so. Okay, trim this out and this out. Now what's important is this and this are equal. And this are perpendicular. If they're perpendicular, they're 90 degrees. So you know what's up. And this is 50. What else do we have? We have the entire height. So this height is 125. And this is given to us, which is 200. There you go. And that's the HUD part. So wait a second, let me double check. It's 125, 50, and 200. Okay, perfect. So let's exit out of this, and we're gonna pad it out by 175 midplane under features, because the origin's in the middle. Midplane by or 175. There you go. That's the HUD. That's been made. We had to make ribs, but we're going to make them manually for the sake of simplicity until we reach the ribs part, and now the problem set. So let's go back to the plane that's exactly in the middle like that. Let's sketch there. What do we need? We need rib-like structures that we can mirror, or we can just, physically make them. Doesn't matter which way you want to make them. Actually, there is an entire D. I'm going to delete that. I need something starting there and ending there, like that. And this is actually on the same height as this cut, right? That cut. It's collinear. Press Control and 8 takes you normal to that plane. And now what we do need is another rectangle from there to there, like so. And another rectangle there to there. Well, we don't need this rectangle actually. Get rid of that inner thingy. Make a line here, like so. Make another line up here. Complete it. Get rid of that inner thingy again. So the sketch is complete. So press Control 8 again. Now we do need the center point of that to be vertical to the center point of the origin, to the origin I mean. And these two are collinear and equal. Okay. And so we do know that this is 15. And we do know that the height of this is 100. Okay, and we do know that this height is 15. Beautiful. So we do know that the left is 50. And there we go, it's fully defined. And we just double check the dimensions real quick. 15, 100, 15, and 50. Alright, perfect. Exit the sketch. And now let's pull it out. How much is this? Is it 200? Yeah, it is 200. So go to features, extrude, midplane by 200. There you go, all the way. Perfect. So this is what we get. And let's check the volume. Our volume is mass properties is 2928250. 2928250. Perfect. All right. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.